We thank God. We have the best building for a bank in Africa. You bring the book and they see. All of you must come to Kengera and then you look at that house. The bank. We have put for you housing rooms. Those who are going to look at Bushenyi, the richest part of Uganda. Only 4 items. Those 4 things are the ones I've come to teach you today. Are you already annoyed? Hello? Hello? Even when you get annoyed, each one of you has his own blessing. I am in a country where a place where all the riches come from. You can't be in our place when you don't have a house of that nature. You can't be in our place when you don't have a house with a power, without tiles and all that. On average, when you cannot enter 100,000 every. When they have sold the milk, when they have sold the matoke, we give them money. Then we can remove the milk money from them. Are you understand? You wait. If you are, even if you change 100 presidents, if you are trying, even if they build a Kamakarori to your own house, you will be poor. Even if you are, as you are promising you heaven on earth, you will still remain poor. So you can get annoyed where? I am more than 200 MPs. You give me one MP who has over 100 employees, workers. Is there any? I am one having 4,000 workers. Give me an MP who has a factory making 3 products and above. Is there any? Hello? Hello? That's why you should get annoyed. Give me a bank and you have spies here. You move it around. What do I mean? What can remove us from poverty? What we can do on this land? We plant rosemary. Then we make tea. We get rosemary planted. We get oil out here in Uganda. So that our children, they can work in the factory. Our children are the best. They are from within. What do we do? We take to Mbarara while they have just sold their matoke and then we sell them things. Then they give us. You give oil. Then you get the milk. Who has understood that? What is going to take you out of poverty is not anything else. Even when you read in the Bible, they are not making some business. That's how the world moves around. How many are going to stand with the meat? We make perfume and make tea leaves out of, so that we can take them to Kenya. This one who has stood up. Just get to be younger. I want these things people understand them quickly. We have left that. Are you ready for us to build a factory here? Are you going to supply rosemary? Have the working heads? Are we there? One factory here in Uganda. It can give 2,000 people work here in Uganda. While only 2,000 people. One factory for 2,000. Bring for me meat. Meat. Factory. One factory like this. When it has meat, it can be over for 1,000 workers while the shareholders here. Meat. Meat.
bawe bali mugende musimba ogwamu.
Go and plant yours.
Nyagala y'abantu banabagala ensigo eyo n'omutwalo kitwalo kisimbe.
I want people
myezi 3 ekwa million ya sente.
Within 3 months it will give you 1 million.
Ngenda kugamba kyogenda kukola.
I am going to make you understand.
Kitwalo bakuwandiike ngenda kugamba kyokikolesa. Toyogera.
Don't talk.
Ekwata omutwalo muntu sagala bonna nyagala
wano. Everybody.
Nyakwata omutwalo.
10,000.
Natula okwata omutwalo.
Just get your 10,000 shillings. Just sit there. Don't tell anybody.
Ogenda kujjula okutano.
You are going to come here on Friday.
Ngenda kugamba kyogenda kukola tobagamba balala.
Don't tell anybody it is you only.
Sebo.
You have 10,000 in your within 3 months. You are going to get 3 million shillings. I am going to tell you what to do. Don't inform them. Don't inform them. It is not for everybody, by the way. Only 4 people. This woman. Leave the pastor first. Oil on that womb. Put bin a line.